How to reset a Roblox avatar to default. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial in which should be able to reset our avatar in default in Roblox. So let's get started. So what we can do is we can go to Roblox. Let's go to roblox.com and sign in with your account. If you're not signed in, you can also open up your application and then head over and open up the avatar section. So on the left hand side, you can find the menu. You can click on this option called avatar to view your avatar in your Roblox. And from here, we can just go over and unequip the items that is currently on our body. This is one of the method. Otherwise, in the top right, we can find a profile that we can click on and go ahead and view our avatar here currently wearing. You can just go over and open up the space right here, select it. And when you do, we can uncheck the items. So if there is this beanie right here, so when we click on it, we should be able to see the avatar's body being changing back into default. And we can again equip a new item that we would prefer on our avatar. Sometimes we can also switch from a character to different character, like blocky, woman. We have avatars and many options available that we can switch into, like these characters right here. And that we can switch to a preset character bundle, and we can completely look out for the original starter avatar for that. And that's it everybody. You can just go and follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.